to Manchester, where the local time is 20 minutes past midnight. We do ask you to remain in your seat with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain switches the seatbelt sign off and the main doors have been opened today. Before you do leave the aircraft, we just ask you just to double check the floor area, the seat pockets and the hat racks, just in case you may have left anything valuable behind. It is rather difficult trying to get everything back to you once you have left the aircraft. Once you do disembark the aircraft today, you are required to show your passports at immigration authorities, so please have them handy. On behalf of the Captain Peter Smith, our First Officer Martin, myself, Terry and the rest of the crew today, it has been our pleasure having you on board. We do hope you've had a fabulous holiday in Tenerife, and we look forward to seeing you on future Thomas Cook holidays and flights. Thank you and a very good morning to you.